let's discuss the remaining part of the story. Are you ready? Let's discuss. See the next part. Milk was next. Milk from old Kick Cow. As grandma milked her, Kick Cow turned and looked mean. Right at me. I was scared. She looked so big. Zip went the lightning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted to myself. Broom went the thunder. 8 miles, child, Grandma Crow. See, they both were making thunder cake. So, Grandma was needed the ingredients to make the cake. So, first they collected eggs and now they have come to milk the cow. But when Grandma was milking the cow, the cow gave the dusky look to the girl and the girl was scared. The girl said that when cow was looking at me, she looked so big, and suddenly the lightning flashed. The girl counted herself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom! And Grandma crowed. What means to make harsh noise, and said that thunder is 8 miles away. Okay. See next. Now we have to get chocolate and sugar and flour from the dry shed. I was scared as we walked down the path from the farmhouse through Tangleweed Woods to the dry shed. See, Grandma and the girl wanted to collect chocolate and sugar as well as the flour from the dry shed. So they decided to go to the dry shed. The girl was scared while walking down the path from the farmhouse to Tangleweed Woods. Means the grass which is grown unwanted to the dry shed. Now see next what happened. Suddenly the lightning slit the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I counted. Boom, ba, boom, crashed the thunder. It scared me a lot, but I kept walking with Grandma. Another jagged edge of lightning flashed as I crept into the dry shed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I counted. Crackle, crackle, boom, ka, boom, the thunder bellowed. It was dark and I was scared. I'm here, child, Grandma said softly from the doorway. Hurry now, we haven't got much time. We have got everything but the secret ingredients. See, while they were walking towards the dry shed, suddenly the lightning slit in the sky. Slit means made a long, straight, narrow cut. The girl counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And boom, ka, boom, the thunder cracked. The sound scared the girl, but still she kept walking with the grandma. And one more time the lightning cracked and there was a flash of lightning. And the girl counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the sound of thunder made her more fear. Bellowed. Bellowed means shouted loudly. The girl was scared because it was dark. Grandma said softly from the door that don't afraid, I'm here. And again Grandma reminded that hurry. Now we don't have much time. We have got everything but still we need secret ingredients. Now which were the secret ingredients? We will see next. See the next para. 3 overripe tomatoes and some strawberries, Grandma whispered as she squinted at the list. I climbed up high on the trellis. The ground looked a long way down. I was scared. I'm there, child, she said. Oh, her voice was steady and soft. You won't fall. I reached for 3 luscious tomatoes while she picked strawberries. Lightning again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I counted. Ka, bang, boom. The thunder growled. See here, my children. Grandma and the girl, when they were collecting the secret ingredients. The secret ingredients that 3 overripe tomatoes and some strawberries. The girl climbed on the trellis. Trellis means a frame made of crossed bars of wood or metal for climbing plants. The girl says that the ground looked long way down because she was scared. So grandma spoke in steady and soft voice that you won't fall. I am here, my child. Then the girl reached to the tomatoes, which were luscious. Luscious means containing lot of juice. The girl plucked 3 luscious tomatoes and grandma plucked strawberries. And suddenly there was lightning again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The girl counted. Ka bang, baroom. The thunder rolled. Roll means making loud noise. Okay. See next what happened. We hurried back to the house and the warm kitchen and we measured the ingredients. I poured them into the mixing bowl while grandma mixed. I churned butter for the frosting and melted chocolate. Finally, we poured the batter into the cake pans and put them into the oven together. Lightning lit the kitchen. I only counted to 3 and the thunder rumbled and crashed. 3 miles away, grandma said, and the cake is in the oven. We made it. See, grandma and the girl came back to the house and then to kitchen and they measured all the ingredients. Grandma knew the recipe of the cake, so she counted all the ingredients correctly. The girl poured them into the mixing bowl and then she churned butter for the frosting. Churn means move around rapidly to make the frost of cream. Then she melted chocolate and finally they poured the batter into the cake pans and put them into the oven. So all the tasks they have done together. Again the lightning lit the kitchen. This time the girl counted 1, 2, 3 and the thunder rumbled and crashed. Rumble means again make loud noise. Grandma said the thunder is 3 miles away and the cake is now in the oven. We made it. See children, here grandma making the girl comfortable so she doesn't scared of thunder. She is trying to divert her attention. Grandma said that we will have a real thunder cake. Are you getting me? See next. As we waited for the cake, grandma looked out of the window for a long time. Why you aren't afraid of thunder? You are too brave, she said as she looked right at me. I'm not brave, grandma, I said. I was under the bed, remember? But you got out from under it, she answered. And yet you got eggs from mean old Nelly pig hen. You got milk from old kick cow. You went through tangleweed woods to the dry shade. You climbed the trellis in the barnyard. Only a very brave person could have done all these things. I thought and thought as the storm rumbled closer. She was right. I was brave. Brave people can't be afraid of sound, child, she said as we spread out of the tablecloth and set the table. When we were done, we hurried into the kitchen to take the cake out of the oven. After the cake had cooled, we frosted it. Just then, the lightning flashed and this time it lit the whole sky. See, when the cake was being ready, grandma looked out of the windows for a long time and she asked that girl that why you are not afraid of thunder. You are such a brave girl. The girl said, I am not brave, grandma. Didn't you remember that I was under the bed? Grandma said that no, my child, you are brave. See, you got eggs from old Nelly pack hen. Then you got milk from old kick cow. Then you went to tangleweeds to the dry shade. You climbed to the trellis in the barnyard. Who can do this? Only a brave person could have done all these things. Grandma was building her confidence to the girl, and when the storm rumbled, she didn't scare. She thought herself and she said, yes, I'm a brave girl. Grandma boasted, the brave girl, the brave people can't be afraid of sound. And while there were while they were talking, they spread the tablecloth and set the table, and then they hurriedly went to the kitchen to take the cake out of the oven. They both were excited. They waited till the cake cooled and they frosted it. Frosted means decorate with the icing sugar, and the lightning flash was so brightening that the whole sky lit up, and the thunder rumbled it loudly. See next. Even before the last flash had faded, the thunder rolled, boomed, crashed, and boom! Just above us, the storm was here. Perfect, Grandma called. Just perfect. She beamed as she added the last strawberry to the glistening chocolate frosting on the top of the thunder cake. As rain poured down on the roof, Grandma cut a wedge for each of us. She poured a steaming cup of tea from the samovar. When the thunder rolled above us so hard it shook the windows and rattled the dishes in the cupboards, we just smiled and ate our thunder cake. From that time on, I never feared the voice of thunder again. Okay, see here. Grandma said now it is just perfect, and she was arranging the strawberries to the glistening chocolate frosting on the top of the thunder cake. Glistening means shining, smoothie surface. As the rain started, Grandma cut a wedge. Wedge means a piece. How triangle shape we cut a piece of cake like that. Grandma poured tea in the cups from the samovar. Samovar means a metal vessel used to boil water for tea. When the thunder rolled so hard that it shook the windows and the dishes in the cupboards were rattled, they both just smiled and ate that thunder cake. From that time on, the girl never feared of thunder voice. In this way, the girl had overcome her frightened nature. According to the girl, she has done a great adventure. So my dear students, I hope that you have understood the entire topic of thunder cake. Now write the new words and meanings in your notebooks and reread the topic thoroughly. So take care of yourself. Bye.